Welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach, who will be doing a live trading session and live analysis. So traders, very important day again, Thursday. This is NFP week, as you know that. So in this NFP week, we want to take the full advantage after yesterday's massive trade. We would like to see that what kind of opportunity we have in the market. So let's see how the market is doing, and we will be looking at, first of all, gold, and also we will be looking at one by one other pairs. I would like to see that you guys are here. So let me know when you are here. Say yes, so that I know that exactly you are here. Good morning, sir. We make it big yesterday. Thank you very much. Good morning. Welcome. Welcome. Thanks for joining the live session. Let's see how the market is doing. As you can see, this is an NFP week, and in this NFP week, we want to see that the market moving aggressively. Now, if you look at the calendar here on the Forex Factory, we can see that today is Thursday, and FOMC is released. So we can see that the market is a bit of organized. So we see there is today 4:30 p.m. there is CPI on CHF. And again, 10:30 p.m. unemployment claims, and then tomorrow coming up NFP. So it's a big week, first week of the month, and in this week we want to see that overall a market movement, and there is a lot of volatility, which is good for us as a trader. So when there is a volatility, we always have greater opportunity in the market. So before I progress further, please smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. So I'm waiting so that everyone join the live session so that we can begin. Abenzer, thank you very much. Yes, John, good morning. Leiden, good morning. Yes, sir, thank you very much. Yes, coach, good morning. Good afternoon. Morning. Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome. So gold and AUD USD, most of the USD pairs, so you see that euro dollar also trending currently with a bit of stronger momentum. So first of all, let's look at I will be first of all looking at gold and to see overall how the market is doing. Now looking at the monthly chart on gold, we can see that bigger picture on gold on the monthly, which is a long-term bull market. I will be doing now a full multi-time frame analysis so that we know exactly where to enter a position. Now looking at the monthly chart on gold, we can see that it's a long-term bullish market. There is a long wick at the top on the monthly, and with this long wick at the top, what we can see, the price currently trying to go ahead and fill that long wick at the top. Now if you look at the overall picture in the monthly chart on gold, we can see that there is an inverted head and shoulder formation and breakout from that inverted head and shoulder, which is basically a bullish market structure. And we have seen that the monthly close with a long wick at the top, and with this monthly close expecting gold to go ahead and fill that long wick at the top. Now looking at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly impulse, followed by there is a weekly candle that has a bigger body with a long wick at the bottom, and also you see there is a long wick at the bottom here from the weekly on gold, and expecting for the price to drop and fill that long wick at the bottom. So we will see that the market is dropping down, filling that long wick at the bottom. And if we look at the daily chart, what we can see from the daily, and probably you guys know that yesterday we talked about from the daily that we expected gold to bounce, and it did that. We see that gold had a strong bounce from this level, and with that bounce, what we can expect now on gold for the price to go ahead and fill that zone here, or we could see again another wave of drop. So let's see to find out on the lower time frame how the market might be doing here. So this is an impulse here, and we can see that there is a narrower correction. And what we can see in this lower time frame, the 15-minute chart, what I see that gold, there was a, see, this 15 minutes candle is a liquidity candle formation, and we could go long here, but we are a bit of a delayed approach on that. So let's see if we find again another entry opportunity as this market in this direction trending. We will be looking to enter any kind of entry opportunity as soon as we will find that. Now this is the 1 hour chart where the market from this 1 hour 20 EMA, we see that there is a rejection and expecting gold to go ahead and to create a new higher high in that direction. So any pullback to the support level, we can look for entry. We see there is a double bottom and bounce. So this is a rejection here. If we see the market has come down for a retest of this previous resistance, which is turning support here, and we'll be looking for entry from this level. Okay, so we will look for entry. This is the resistance, which is turning support here, and expecting gold to have a rejection to the upside from this level to create a new higher high. So good morning, thank you very much, Grand Rising Wizard, thank you, welcome. And yeah, let's see where we can find an entry here. We had a very good trade yesterday, and we have seen that from that zone the market was moving aggressively. At this point, I would like to see that the market has given us a good entry opportunity. As soon as we will find it, we will be looking for entry on this. And let me know, traders, which one else you are looking at. And this is our first live. We do have another live session coming up. We'll see how we can find entry opportunity for the next live as well. So gold, this is a support level here. Okay, so in this support, this is a support here, and would like to see the market is retesting and then bouncing back up. Now let's see what's happening with the Gbpusd. Now looking at a bigger picture from the monthly, looking at the monthly chart on Gbpusd, what we can see from the monthly, this is an impulse on the monthly, followed by, so far we can see that the market has come down for a pullback. Now Gbpusd is a long-term bullish market. We can see that this market is in a long-term bullish trend, creating series of higher high and higher low, which is an uptrending market structure. Now in this uptrending market on GJ, the price has come down for a pullback, means that we might see potential upside here on GJ. Now looking at the weekly chart, so far, if we look at the weekly perspective, previous week we saw a big bull candle, followed by this week suddenly there is a manipulation, and we have seen the prices come down to this support, retested, and from this zone we can see that Gbpusd is moving back to the upside. Now looking at the daily chart, what we can see from the daily, there is a big drop here to the support, and today so far we have seen a bit of upside here on the daily. Now looking at the further lower time frame, so here is the key points here. As you can see, this is an order block, on GJ, and from that order block, which is the previous resistance, turning support here, and what we can expect on GJ for this price to remain bullish, as this is the resistance, turning support here. So what we can see on Gbpjpy is this is a, if we look at the intraday time frame, here is, this is a support level, and from this support there is an initial rejection, and I think that we might see the price will try to retest that level, and that's where we can look for potential entry. Now if we look at the daily chart, we can draw the support level, which is today's focus on GJ, to see if there is any rejection from this zone. So a bit of longer distance, but if we see, because it's a globally uptrending, and it will not be a good idea to suddenly buy from here or sell, because it's a long-term trend, and that was we need to look at. So hope that you guys are enjoying this live session. Thank you for joining, and give a thumbs up, guys, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Okay, so here is going back to the gold again. So gold, if we look at the 15 minutes, we can see that there was a bullish candle, followed by this one has come here for a pullback. So let's see if we have anything on gold to enter. So looking at, if we look at the 30 minutes price action on gold, many people here, we might see a bit of momentum here. So there is a 30 minutes close. So what I will be doing here, because there is a 30 minutes close, we might see a bit of upside here. So I will be going long, a bit of bigger stop loss, guys. So make sure that you do proper risk management, and 2-to-1 reward to risk. This is 30 minutes price action. Stop loss below this 30 minutes candle. Stop loss at 2312. We will be buying gold here. So so there will be around in this trade, there will be around a 40 pip stop loss. So this is a 30 minutes price action. So there will be around 40 pip stop loss. I'm going long on gold, based on the 30 minutes price action. So I'm expecting on gold to have an upside bias. It may even be the other way around. So make sure, traders, you do proper risk management is the key to be profitable as a trader. So I'm long on gold, and I also send the same trade to the community, in the VIP community, expecting gold to have an upside bias, and we see a bit of upside here. And make sure you do open the trade with proper risk management. Is very important. It's very important that you do proper risk management. And as you can see, this is a 15 minutes price action, and there is a potential for an upside. I will be explaining the strategy, so make sure you stick till the end of this live session. There is a lot to take from here, guys. As you know that we do open live trades, live analysis, and also every day I come on live twice. This is a complete channel where you can develop, grow as a trader. And if you are finding value, so make sure that you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Okay, so you can see that the market is from this level is moving back to the upside, and we can see we are running some profit here, guys. Are you with me? So we are running some profit on gold and expecting for this price to bounce back up. All right, running profit, guys. This is the second trade. Yesterday we had a massive winner in our previous live, and in addition to that, as you know that we do have a VIP Telegram channel where I do share all my trades. Okay, here we can see the market moving up from this level, bouncing back to the upside. Okay, so there is a 30 minutes bullish middleman here. So this is a middleman, bullish middleman, and we see the weak fill now. Guys, why did I open buy? This is the very important question, right? It's important that also you pay attention the reason behind the strategy and all the reason why we are opening those trades. Coach, please tell about over trading today. I lose yesterday's profit in today over trading. Nishant, very good question. Over trading, yeah, we'll be discussing on that. Thank you very much. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. Please go check my message. Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Are you in already. Yeah, I'm bullish on gold. Yes, Askim, thank you very much. I was little bit late. That's fine. Are you entry, sir? Yeah, I'm running this trade. Currently I'm running this trade, and want to take that trade to the next level. As you can see, we see that there was a rejection here from the 30 minutes price section, which is basically a bullish middleman. Now probably you guys have heard of the hanging man, shooting star, a lot of things, but what about the middleman? Now middleman is a very important candlestick pattern, and middleman, this is probably you have heard of first time in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. But middleman is a very powerful. I do have a strategy that I trade based on middleman, and this one is based on the middleman trading strategy. If you are not sure about what is middleman, how to use it, also I would recommend you to watch the video on your student dashboard in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. If you are our member, you should be able to find that middleman candlestick pattern video on your student dashboard, where you can see everything. So let's see here. This is a bullish candle is being formed, expecting it to bounce and then to create a new higher high. We see that so far bullish pattern. So far bullish momentum, and let's see. Yes, it's an entry. Thank you. There is a double bottom breakout. At least if we see the price manage to break this high, we can look for taking some profit out of the table and then moving the stop loss. First, let it move a bit more upside, then we can do that. Martina, yes, I can be quietly over trading too. I think after big win yesterday, I got greedy. Look, this is an absolutely important point, absolutely important topic to look at. Over trading, right? It's not only one trader's problem. It's every trader face this the problem of over trading, including myself. When I started my trading, it took me a lot of time to become disciplined, and so that I can keep the profit on the table. Now what helps to reduce over trading? That's the point, right? That's the solution, that we need to focus on the solution. So how did I overcome, and also how I saw other traders are overcoming over trading? That's what we will be looking at. So first of all, let's look at the cause. There is a term called cause and effect, okay, which is one kind of universal law that no one can avoid it. So if you over trading is an effect, right? There's a cause in it. So if we look at the cause, then we will find out the effect of the effect is the experience, right? So how does the cause and effect work? So cause is something we do or act or say, and effect is something that we experience, that is effect. So now how do you find out what is the cause of over trading, so that you can change that effect? Now let's look at from a completely scientific perspective, from brain perspective, okay, because this is where the real cause will come out, so that you can change, rewire that part of the brain. So if we look at the brain, then how brain operate with the stimulation, because trading is very quite addictive, like it's kind of stimulating, right? Because it's just with the press of a button, the money is coming and or going. So it's quite I'll discuss in from two perspective. One is the brain, the other one is from emotional or energetic perspective. Both of them are the same, just in two sides of the same coin. So if you look at the, first of all, let me see here, gold trade, what's happening. We'll be going back to that, but let's see. From 30 minutes we see a bit of primary rejection from this doji. Still I'm expecting it to bounce. Okay, a bit of this is the 4-hour candle, and from the 4-hour it's for the price finding it hard to go up here. Let me see. One hour. Okay, so the price action turning to bearish again. So you need to look at well, we'll be managing the trade. Let me see. Trade management is very important, because the way it bounced, it failed to create a new higher high. Instead, it is getting a bit of rejection here from 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, so we see that the price from the 30 minutes failed to create a new higher high. Now at this point, just drop back to the 1-hour support. So if it is forming another liquidity candle, which is less likely, but if it is forming another liquidity candle on the 1-hour, then even it's prone to return to the downside. So let's see what we'll be doing. 15 minutes candle closing. Okay, so the 15 minutes price action that we see is a bearish price action, so we need to manage this trade. We need to manage this trade either closing halfway or after pullback to the upside. The price failed, guys, and now we need to see if there is any pullback. There is a sudden breakdown. So from this resistance level, we see that the market has got a rejection. I'm still on, but it might okay, waiting for this to have a bit of pullback. If we see proper pullback, we can I think we might see ultimate drop, but if we see deeper pullback, we can exit at entry or near entry. So from the 1 hour, if we look at this market, this is the 1 hour candle, and the price already below this support level. The way the candlestick pattern is forming, very high chance for gold to now to drop, because it broken the support and lower time frame. This is the 1 minute chart. So we see a bit of upside. If we see that to the entry, we will be exiting. So our entry at 2316, 2316.9. Okay, so what I will do now, I will move my TP at entry. We need to break even. Move TP at entry. Stop loss as the same place, just move the TP at entry. So I move my TP at entry so that I can exit at entry, break even. So I move my take profit target at entry, because if the market is going up for retest, we can exit at entry in break even. It might go up for another retest. Okay, so I'm near to my entry. Yes, can and yes, can be guilty of trading too. I think after big win yesterday, I got greedy. Yeah, please, sir, I want to join the academy. King Doris. Yeah, welcome to join the academy. There is a lot to take from here now. You can learn the strategy. You can learn all the tools that I'm using. We have few spots left to join the academy. The only thing that you need to do is visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. So once you visit the website, then just scroll down to the plan and then choose lifetime access. So once you click lifetime access, where you can access everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, don't hesitate to ask any question today. That will give you access to everything. Now we had a giveaway past 2 days ago to join our recommended broker to get access to the academy for everything. For those who already signed up with that, the offer is still valid. So for that offer, we had few spots, only limited number to take. That offer is ended. But for those who join using this sign up link with the broker, I have given the link again. If you already signed up, then you can fund your account and let us know using the email. So info@forextradingwizard.com. So info@forextradingwizard.com, that's the email. So once you sign up, fund your account and then email us info@forextradingwizard.com to give you full access. But the offer is ended. Now still you can join via the website, the link below this video in the description. But for those who already joined, already registered with the broker, I've given you the link again. You can still register and then you can fund your account and you can let us know. You just need to email back info@forextradingwizard.com. Thanks for consideration, and let's keep trading and growing as a trader. Make sure that you do proper risk management. Trading is all about risk management. Trading is all about having a proper trading psychology. Here we can see that the market a bit of, so this is the 30 minutes price action from 1 hour. So the 1 hour candle is closing. And if this 1 hour candle closing even as a doji, then the next one that I'm expecting to go up and to take us out of the trade, and then we will be re-entering if we need it. Thank you very much. Good day, coach. Nice haircut you have there. Oh, welcome. Please, coach, I want to join the community. King Dyrus, yes, you can join the community. Don't hesitate to visit the website. Any question, let us know to join the community. There is an NFP tomorrow, and definitely with the NFP, you can have a great understanding about the market. To trade with NFP with us, you can join today to trade NFP with us. Thank you. Is trade close? No, it's I moved the TP at entry, and I want to see that it's moving up to take me out of the trade. We close now, might be a bit of drawdown, but if it bounce for another move, then we can exit break even. So you might see further downside, but before it come down, expecting it to go up and to take us out of the trade. So if you look at the 1 minute even and the 1 hour, the lower time frame spectrum, we see that this market, the way the price action forming on gold is today, later there is a news coming, we might see that now it's with this big bullish candle. So basically it form a structure which is currently turning to a bearish structure. That's it. Still on the trade, but we might see that so you see potential bearish continuation pattern. Still expecting it to go up and to take us out of the trade, break even. Is it the London session opening? Is it the London session opening now? Yeah, still running, but it might be not working, or we might see that ultimately breakdown here. 30 minutes candle closed, 1 hour closed with a very strong bearish price action, and if we're lucky enough we might see that pullback, otherwise we may see that continuation. But if we see that pullback, then we might see boom again pushing high. I'm still holding the trade to see if we can find that potential upside here for closing at entry. Could we see a bit of upside going on? And in the meantime, if you haven't smashed the like button yet, I would appreciate if you are finding value in this channel, learning from here, and also finding value in this. So make sure you smash the like button here, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Okay, now we see that it's pushing high and expecting it to go ahead and take us the trade break even. I'm again seeing that the market is going up, expecting it to go up and take us out of the trade. So if it goes up a bit to the upside, then we will be able to exit break even with this trade, and then we'll be re-entering once we find further entry opportunity. So there is a today there is 10:30 p.m. unemployment claims coming. We will be covering that. We'll be covering that unemployment claims, and yeah, there is a big news coming later today. And with this news, we'll be covering that, expecting to have a good move on dollar. Here is the 1 hour price action, and from this 1 hour price action, if the price is going to at least retest this 50%, we will be able to exit here. And from the 15-minute chart, from 5 minutes, even if we do the 1-minute chart, so we are waiting to be break even. And then if we look at the GBP, JPY, and dollar yen, they are a bit of slower. We see this instrument suddenly getting volatile and then slowing down. So for those instrument, I will be waiting a bit more time. Going back to gold to manage this trade here. if gold is getting a rejection from here, though it is do you think that gold is going up here or it's dropping down? Anyone with up option? Thank you very much. Not me. Did anybody profit yesterday? Dollar yen, yeah. Look, this is the 15 minutes candle so far. So we see that below this level, below this 15 minutes bullish candle, there is a high liquidity zone, and we saw a long wick candle. So with this long wick candle, what I'm expecting that the price to go ahead and revisit or retest this resistance and then to return back on over trading. Okay, so is the okay, so we discuss about that how you can avoid that over trading. So couple of reasons there are over trading that we discuss. First of all, if we look at our from the brain perspective, so when we trade or open a trade, the brain works is like a reward system. So there is a called, so anything we do with a reward, there's a dopamine release, and there's some of the things that causes us to do it over and over again. So for example, when we open a position and we have winning trade, so what happened, the brain see it as an action that brings more of excitement, right? So when you open a position and then you got a profit hit, so the brain get a idea that okay, this action brings profit, so let's do it again, without consciously thinking that okay, if I do it again, that might take me what I have gained. So you'll see that there are two ways this happen. You'll see sometime you'll do over trading, sometime you'll not open any trade at all. This happens. Sometimes you'll see that after opening one trade, you feel like I'm not going to open any more trade because the profit that I gain, I might lose it again. So this is how it happens. So the only way to reduce it, I think we'll be out this trade very soon. Okay, I'm out of the trade. So there is a breakdown on gold in that area. So didn't play out. So there is a big drop here on gold, and because so we delete it, took us out of the trade. And if we look at closely here, we can see that there is a, with this move to the upside to this neckline, the market managed to reject from this level. Which is coming, you might see that the price is coming back to the support level again. So the brain find it as a like a dopamine release, and then it become more it wants to do over and over again same action, and that is where we need to be very, very conscious of this. Okay, so we might see that gold ultimately moving back down to this support level. from the daily as well, you can see the market started to drop in that direction. So here it might now go back to the daily support. A bit of a stronger bearish price action in that area. Okay, and where is our potential entry coming? That's what now we need to look at. Is the red candle in the 50 minutes time frame with long wick is a liquidity candle. 15 minutes time frame with long wick, yeah, that's a liquidity candle. Yeah, absolutely. This is a liquidity candle. There's one here, there's one here. So these are liquidity candles. The price basically has grabbed a massive amount of liquidity from the top, and with this liquidity grab, expecting for this price to drop down back to this support level. Now we can look for selling opportunity if we see proper price action confirmation. I think slowly, because there is another news coming later today, we might see that gold, if you look at the daily, it's a bear market, and ultimately we might see it's dropping down back to the support level. Because I also want to join the academy, Pamela. Yeah, so if you want to join the academy, visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com, where you will be learning and growing as a trader with me. You can learn the strategy that I am trading. So you can find a link below this video in the description. You can visit the website and then click join now button, where you can join and access everything that we have in the academy. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, here gold failed to create a higher high. We can see that there is a rejection, and with this rejection the market might now keep pushing down, as we have seen a very sharp rejection from the top. So if we look at the calendar, 10:30 p.m. coming up, unemployment claims. So you have seen on CHF CPI 0.1%. The forecast was 0.0%. Now it's 0.1%. So this is the, you see from the 1 hour also two very strong liquidity candle, and also there is one here. So basically it's giving a probability for gold to keep pushing down to this support level. Okay, we will be waiting for another entry opportunity, and in the meantime, if you are enjoying the live session, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Okay, we see that dollar yen also a bit of movement here. GBP USD, Euro USD, gold, and yeah. So gold is in all of them. We see the trend on gold, and because it failed to create a higher high, we might see that now it's dropping to potentially 2286 level or below. So from 1 hour we have seen a complete breakdown, so there is a probability for the price to keep pushing down to this support level. We will be waiting for another entry after a price action confirmation. So what is the gold trade? We have stopped out on gold trade. Good morning. Thank you very much. Please check Gbpusd till what level it is going to down. Okay, yeah. So we'll be looking at a bit of also Gbpusd. Now Gbpusd, what we can see that there is another doji formation. Let's see from the 1 hour and look at the 4 hour. So you see that this instrument currently, if you look at this resistance line, the market moves with a very small fluctuation. That's where we need to always look at the pricing. You see, this is a downtrend here locally. It is getting a bit of rejection from here. It might now try to go back up to any of this liquidity zone and then dropping back again, because you see there is a neckline here, the support here, support here, support here, turning resistance and then dropping down. So we might see that on GJ for the price to go ahead and then to drop down again. So we could see that potentially Gbpusd locally it's coming down again, but globally we might see a bit of pullback and then potentially dropping to this support level. It's in a locally downtrend on GJ. As a VIP member, do you get access to the swing trading courses? Yes, absolutely, Lighton. So for those who will be joining the academy as a VIP member, you can get access to everything, all the courses, strategies, swing day trading strategies, as well as the trading tools that I have, VIP chat group, and also the Zoom classes that I'm teaching the members every single day. So if you want to be part of that, don't miss out that opportunity. There is a link below this video in the description. You can visit the website and then click join now button, where you will be able to join and access that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So, and in the meantime, let's see that where gold, you can see there is a bit of rejection, very slower, but this move that what we see on the 1 minute chart, this might be another deeper liquidity grab, and the way the price is heading lower time frame is, I think gold keep pushing down. You see there is a if you closely look at it, you can see that there is a head and shoulder formation, so it's not fully developed, but this move that I see, you see that it's a manipulation, so big manipulation, pullback, and couldn't create a new higher high. So this is a kind of reversal confirmation, and then we see that move. Now because it failed to create a higher high here, we might see that now it's coming down to break this low to create a new lower low. So that's where we see the rejection. The way we traded here, what I expected to retest this level again, that's where TP target was there but failed. Now it might just keep pushing down again in that direction. Yeah, thank you for joining the live session, guys. It is a very great session. As you know that I will be coming on live again in the next one in the NY session, where we will be covering this news coming up. This is the news coming up on NY session, and which is the unemployment claims. I would like to see you, all of you there, trading together. Yesterday we had a big trade on gold on that NY session, and this session, in the upcoming session, definitely, because it's an NFP week, we should be able to find a good move in the market. So with that being said, thank you for joining this live session. This is a short one. We'll have another one a bit of longer. I would like to see there trading together, guys and girls. Until that, stay well, stay happy. See you there again trading. In the meantime, if you want to join us to be part of the trading community, also you can join, link below this video in the description. And before I go, if you want to join a recommended broker, you can find below this video in the description. You can visit the website, and then you can use that link to join and be part of that. Thank you.